Hey, hardworking friends, I'm Trish, and I'm here to tell you all about content based guided meditations and how you can use them in your classroom. I'm sure you've probably heard in faculty meetings or online in the news about the importance of health and wellness for our students, especially now, and even for us teachers. And we need to try to incorporate that more into our lessons. And it's kind of hard to do when you have this really rigorous curriculum that you need to cover and you just don't feel like you have any time to be able to add anything extra. So this sort of was created in the hopes of blending the two, that you can have health and wellness, but you can also get some content in there and at the same time help them learn in a much more deeper way. A couple years back, I decided to give this a try in my classroom, and I had amazing results. The kids loved it. So these guided meditations can be done anywhere. Ideally, you want to have the kids laying down at home in a nice quiet space where they can relax. But you can also do them in class. It's not a problem either. So you can just put your head down, or you can take them outside and lie in the grass, which is really nice. So they can really be done anywhere. They start with about a 5 to 10 minute relaxation routine where the kids are taken through sort of a settling, quiet your mind, which is really great because, as we know, our kids are super stressed and they really need to quiet their mind sometime. And this really helps them do that. And the second part of the meditation is where we include the content. So they become a member or a molecule in a process, like a geochemical process, like the carbon cycle or nitrogen cycle. They follow it around. Maybe they take a walk through all the biomes and they feel what it's like to be involved in all of these places and to experience them when they can't experience them for real. So they use their imagination. We stimulate all their senses, getting all those parts of the brain working together to try to get the kids to engage with the material in a much more unique kind of way. Most of the meditations have some sort of activity that go with them that you can find on our website. And they range from being something that just kind of they can follow along and fill in afterwards, or it could be something you can use a discussion starter next day in class. So if you use any of these meditations, please let us know how it goes. We'd love to hear how it went for you and your kiddos. And just drop us a line. If you have some suggestions of ones you want us to do, you want us to make for you, you have an idea, you're like, hey, this thing would be really cool as a meditation, I would love to hear it and we would love to do it for you. So thank you for coming by.